like that.
Whoops.
Yeah. They don't want it, man. They don't want us messing with them. He's scared of it. Making a long video. No, they're washing hands. Yeah.
Well, we don't belt on the jig rod. That's why we got low gear on the jig reels, but the butt of the rod doesn't.
I think I got your line, dude.
Here, I got you. You can do video.
Oh, golly. Come on, baby. I think I got everybody tied up right now. Oh, golly.
Monster.
You see what he's doing? Look at this.
I know. They're shaking you.
Dude, that dude's heavy.
Get him in.
I haven't gotten him any at all.
Yeah, I can feel your fish on the line. Oh no, that's your line.
Everything that I reeled in
Lift it up easy.
just took out.
Go ahead, play.
Oh, come on, come on. Oh, no, that one. Oh, golly.
Oh, he ain't wanting to come up.
I haven't pulled him off the bottom yet.
No.
Everything I've done, he takes back every time I reel it in.
They're trying 10 foot on him there.
No, then he goes back out with it.
Tighten your drag.
I don't think I can hold it.
Oh yeah, he can hold it.
No, he told me to tighten the drag up. I was like, I don't know if I can hold the pole in.
Just let it drag you in.
Golly. I'm starting to get him now. He's starting to come up.
Dang, did I tangle up bad?
Woo.
Well, if he wouldn't have got his fish in the damn way.
I know, right?
I know. It's a problem, man, catching all the fish.
Dude, I barely hit bottom with it.
Good job.
I was trying to find bottom, and then it just felt weird. So I set the hook. Look at this. He just pulled 20 feet back out of it.
Oh, yeah.
I may have to eat a crab today.
Oh, shit.
Uh-oh.
Don't let him go back into the prop.
Yeah, he's not. He's staying straight down. You better not be no skate.
If it is, we're shooting him.
Right?
They got your crab.
He's coming up now.
Finally.
say that, and then he just stops.
Oh, he's gonna try to make a run for the bottom.
That's okay. I'll pass him off to you.
All right.
I went ahead and pulled the crab leg off for you, Jason.
Yeah. Don't make me reach out there and cut that line.
They call the knife from the front.
Woo! Tired.
Taking mine?
No, he quit a while back.
Okay.
The last 5 or 6 minutes has been me pulling him. He quit. Took a minute to get him off bottom though. We're at leader. Oh, nice.
Oh, that's a big one.
You got color?
Yeah.
Ah,
Off to your left there.
Kyle.
I mean,
Yeah, that's a nice one.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, there we go. Woo!
Oh, man. That's almost as big as that one I caught.
I think it's a half of an inch longer.
Oh, man. That's
Oh,
a nice
crap,
fish,
man.
dude.
Damn.
On the jig, man. That's awesome.
It hit it while I was dropping to the bottom.
I'm gonna send you back down, buddy. Get you down.
I'm trying to find bottom because it went out a little bit further than it should have. And I was pulling up against it and it just felt weird. So I almost set the hook.
You get a bite?
Damn, that's awesome.
Want a photo?
Heck yeah,
Hey,
dude.
man. Hey, drop your jig down in the water, dude. Don't swing all over everybody. Thank you.
that's a nice fish.
You want the white side out or brown?
I get one of each.
Okay. So yeah, just underneath the gill plate here, you'll feel the jawbone up here.
Okay.
You just slide your hands up, and then with your other hand, you go underneath the crook of the gill plate.
Golly! That's a fish.